friends. So now in the previous section we have looked at that our application and about the Elastic Bean stack, and we have also discussed that Elastic Bean stack is a web hosting platform. Now we get our hands dirty with code so that we can know about Elastic Bean stack. So here currently we will open the Elastic Bean console. So it's an already open here, but if you want to open from scratch, then this is basically HTTPS AWSAmazon.com /console will be the URL, and you will sign it by this URL by having, I've already signed it, that's why it has allowed me to sign in. So here with the services you will go, and in the services you will go with the Elastic Bean stack. And as you are seeing that previously I have launched one service with the company service. So I can see the this URL which is coming. So I will launch this URL, and this URL is being launched now, and I will give the name which I have just written there when I have launched the application. So that's how we have got the result, that the company name we have written at the code Avantika Technologies when we have written the code of the company service. So with respect to the company service, we can look that at the controller end side we have written Avantika Technology here. So that's why it's done. And this application is now globally accessible. So now we will see, we will launch another application in the same way, and try to get the figure out the instance again with respect to Elastic Bean stack. So firstly, I will create a new environment, and here the two type of things comes, that firstly you will get the Amazon AWS account, and you should do so now by pointing your browser to the following URL which I have shows you, that HTTPS AWS console, and you create an AWS from that you can make an AWS account also. So here you have two URLs, web server environment and worker environment. Basically when you are deploying anything with respect to web services or HTTP requests, then you use web server environment, and worker environment when you run a worker application process long running workload or demand platform task, then you use the worker environment basically. So here we are going to use the web server environment. So we select it, and we just give that the our name was employee service. So employee service we give it, and we will give this employee service app one, like that name we will give it. So now just we will take other things which needs to be when we come to the platform. See there is an application tag also where you can add the key value, but there is no requirement currently for my assignment, so I have not taken. I am directly coming to the platform. Here in this platform I will choose Java, and after choosing I will upload my jar file. From there I will choose the jar file, and I will go to the employee service, to the target folder. This is my jar file, and I have taken Java because there is a I'm taking the jar file. But if you have a var file, then you can take the Tomcat server also. So here now all the things are ready for me. So I just create an environment, and it will take couple of minutes in developing the environment for me. So it is creating the environment, is starting now. In couple of minutes the environment will be started. So we have to wait up to the point the environment is starting. In the meantime, we it's the process is starting. So in the meantime we can look at how the architecture flow of AWS happens. See, this managed services by Elastic Bean Stack is currently which are managed by the customer is application and the data, and the services which are provided by the cloud is basically runtime, middleware services, operating system, virtualizations, and servers and storage and network services are provided by the Elastic Bean stack. So this Elastic Bean stack advantages, if we see, then it's here we can quickly deploy the applications, and only one version can have is having the deployment. You can't deploy multiple versions on Elastic Bean stack, and it's simplifies operation. It's cost effectiveness, that on a lower budget you can have the very effective results you can get it. And multi tenant architecture it's having, and it's a better user experience you will be getting if you are using Elastic Bean Search. And globally you are also getting the things. So let us see that up to what it has created the environment in a string. So okay, up to the next video we will see that our that creating environment is starting. So in the next video we will see that that environment will be ready, and we will deploy the application to the browser, and we will see that what the result it is giving. Thank you.